Hey guys, so welcome back to that TV, and this is the event updates with me, Odate GH. Yes, so Presec Legon had their Touch and Bonfire returning last night, that's April 21st, 2023, after a long break, and this was due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, so after series of days, months of planning, the event actually came. It was actually open to the public. I mean, anybody can, attend a particular event, and the event was actually lit. This is because Presec Legon will be celebrating their 85th anniversary this year, and guys, the scenes, the highlights of the event was massive, and not to talk of Sarkodie being the lead artist. Let me say the surprise acts of the night. Sarkodie, shook the stage, and Presec being a dominant, school in Ghana, and also being, a male school. You can imagine the energy that will be given by the guys, and also it's a period where, all students or alumni of, the school connects. People fly all the way from various, countries, to come back to witness this particular, Touch and Bonfire night, and also the anniversary itself. Guys, let me not bore you a lot of words. Watch the highlights of the event with Sarkodie, shutting down the event.
I'm working. You are lucky that I'm having you. You are so lucky that I'm having you.
Hey guys, so you saw the highlights and events of the Presec Touch and Bonfire night. Let me know your thoughts, comments, and opinion in the comment section. Also, don't forget to also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. And also, don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Odate_Gita. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's peace.